Hello, and how are you all doing? I hope you are all well in this new year. I want to say, yes, it's not really new year. It's already 20th of January 2022. But we are going to paint again. Last time we painted this one, and we're going to continue. We are going to start at the top again, do a bit of the mountain. If you're going down, we will start a bit of the car. If we're going more to the left, it is still mountain. Someone opens the window outside. Did you see that? And yeah, so that's basically it. We are going to do a little time lapse. I already did a part of the painting without making a video, so you will see this. Also, on the end of the time lapse, as usually, I will show you the end results. So for now, I just want to say, relax, take something to drink, take some popcorns or something else, and just enjoy the video. See you after the time lapse. So we are back from the time lapse. Actually, in the beginning of this video, I told you we are going to do a part of the car. Now we did, but just 4 or 5 centimeters. So yeah, sorry for this. In the next video, I promise you, we will do a bigger part of the car. They are in white tones. I'm not really a big fan of white tones. You have to do them in nice lines, or you will see gaps in between, or that they are not really straight, and you don't have this with mixed colors or with darker colors. So let me show you the end results as promised. This is what we have till so far. So yeah, I don't want to say we are halfway done, because we are not, but we did a part of the mountain over there and the part of the car there. And next time we will continue at the windscreen, and maybe the next paper of the car. So yeah, that's it for this week, or for this video. For the people who know me, yeah, I'm really fan of Tesla cars. I really wish I had one. But yeah, they are a bit out of my price range for the moment. So maybe in the future, but I'm not sure yet. people who I'm talking about this, they say, oh no, they are ugly, and other people say, yes, you have to buy one, they are amazing. So actually there are two camps, the one that likes the cars and the one that hate the cars, and I think there is nothing in between. But yeah, maybe in the future. I'm not sure if it will be a white one or a black one. In the beginning I was thinking white outside, white interior, but now I also start to like the black ones, and yeah, I'm not gonna buy two, I'm not gonna buy one for the moment, so let's instead two. But yeah, again, this was it for this video. I will try to upload a new video next week if everything is going planned. And yeah, if you like my videos, just thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, push the bell button notification so you will get a notification when I upload a new video. If you want to know more about those diamond paintings, scroll down and in the description box you will find my website, www.stephans-place.com. You can contact me there. Actually, I had on some videos people who are asking about where I bought the diamond paintings, if there are also different pictures of diamond paintings of Tesla. And yeah, those are this painting comes from my own brand. It's a custom that I had made by my own designer. So yeah, if you want to have this painting or another one, just comment on below or just send me an email directly by my website and I will help you get this picture or get this painting. But that's all up to you. You can find all the information in the description box, so maybe I will hear from you, and I will definitely see you in the next video, maybe next week or the week after. Not sure yet, but I will do my best. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.